This is our first digital interactive comic book based on a fictional character named Callie Rodriguez and her journey to become the first woman on the moon.
Do I need to get it? Thank you.
Our team, we really wanted to get like a Latino, African American, we got covered in people that fly, so we're really trying to include and do it on multiple platforms so that they're excited about it, you know? Like, we really is. And it's a good story, it's a cliffhanger, so there's going to be multiple series, so.
Who's the illustrator?
So our illustrator is Brent. He's awesome, he'll be in the booth later, and then Caitlin did all of our coloring. So we worked with Lily, I worked for them.
This is our first digital interactive comic book based on a fictional character named Callie Rodriguez and her journey to become the first woman on the moon. So throughout the comic, you'll find, you'll find QR codes at the top. Let me see if I can find one real quick. Like QR codes, you'll find those. And if you scan it on your phone, it'll take you to a really cool interactive digital environment. Augmented reality aspects. You can actually drive a rover on the moon. You'll learn more about the characters and learn more about NASA's Artemis mission.